We've got a Bitcoin alert. Coinbase shocking the crypto universe moments ago by announcing it is exploring the addition of a number of new cryptocurrencies to the platform. Seymour Modi's got all the details. Hey, Seymour.
Hey, Melissa. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, announcing this afternoon that it is exploring the addition of the following assets: Cardano, Basic Attention Token, Stellar, Zcash, and OX. It's worth noting that BAT and OX are initial coin offerings. Now, all 5 assets moving higher on this announcement. Cardano is up 12%, Basic Attention Token up about 22%, Stellar higher by 10%, Zcash gaining 15%, and OX soaring 26% intraday, that according to CoinMarketCap. Now, while the digital tokens have not been added yet, Coinbase says it wants to remain transparent with its customers about future support for additional cryptocurrencies beyond what it currently offers on its platform, like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Coinbase did emphasize that the rollout of these assets will require additional exploratory work, and it's not guaranteed they will be listed for trading. Still, it's a sign that the industry is starting to see value in other cryptocurrencies and that Coinbase is trying to appeal to investors that are looking to diversify their holdings. And it is a strategy other crypto exchanges like Gemini are also using. Melissa, back to you.
All right, Seema, thank you. Seymour Modi. Now you may not be familiar with some of these coins in question, so we're getting none other than the crypto baller, BK, to break them all down for us over at the Plasma Beaks.
Yeah, so let's do it. Couple here that they're talking about exploring. Remember, there was some issues when they listed Bcash that potentially people saw it ahead of time. So I think that's why they're trying to get ahead of us and say, hey, this is what we're looking at. But let's just quickly go through these. Cardano, number 1. That is something similar to an Ethereum, if you will. They have a live working network. They have a live roadmap. So that's important. That's what the SEC said was important. So it's not a security. Basic Attention Token, you use this in the Brave browser, you can have an ad-free experience. You can use Basic Attention Token to pay for content on the web. 0x right here. This is one of the most interesting ones. That is a decentralized exchange protocol up and running. And in fact, I believe Coinbase launched a bulletin board exchange type of thing. It wasn't really an exchange, but they used 0x technology. That's why this one's in the list. Stellar. Stellar is similar to Ripple. Now, the crypto people are going to kill me because I said it's similar to Ripple, but it's similar to Ripple. That's how you need to think about it. And then finally, Zcash is a privacy token, so you can send stuff back and forth without people knowing. Remember, Gemini has already said they're going to have Zcash on their platform, so this one is probably one of the most likely.
You said Stellar is similar to Ripple. Ripple's not up there, and Ripple was the one that everybody thought could be added next. Why do you think it's not up there?
So I think probably it has to do with the uncertainty around whether or not it is a security, and I'm not going to opine on it one way or the other, but there are some lawsuits pending about Ripple being a security. So I think just that uncertainty itself would cause Coinbase to say, let's tap the brakes on that one for today.
Hey, Brian, the Coinbase announcement of new tokens has been at times the only reason a lot of these stocks have caught a bid, or these tokens have caught a bid. I guess looking back at the history so far, do you believe that this is just a rush that really should be faded? It seems like it's a tactical moment only based upon the history.
Yeah, so generally these are, you're right. The one thing that I've had the hardest thing to learn taking from traditional, the legacy markets to now the crypto markets, is that once these things get going, once you get that momentum, they tend to go a little bit, they tend to go higher. So yeah, you might think about fading them, but it wouldn't surprise me to see these things up 20, 30, 40% over the weekend.
You know what is different this time around, BK, if I can even say that about anything these days, is that Coinbase has their own product, which is based on every single coin that is added to their platform. And so in order for them to be indexed to it, I mean, there has to be some sort of buying of these tokens by the people who are invested in that Coinbase product, correct?
Right.
So there is that sort of push higher there from
exactly.
that.
It adds, it's almost like the ETF effect that potentially some of these coins might get added to their index product and they have to buy in. So there could be some follow-on buying here. And remember also the crypto market's 24/7, 365, and Asia is probably still asleep. They'll wake up, see these coins and go, oh, wait a second, maybe there's a catalyst here.
Just quickly, which one would you buy off of this news?
Well, I'm long almost every single one of them, probably 0x and Zcash.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.